Welcome, Dr. V. Reddy's. Check and improve knowledge. There are 10 MCQs in this quiz. Please write these numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with the answers given. 31. A substance consists of a single type of particle is called. Pure. 32. It contains more than one pure substance. They combine in any proportion and are not chemically bonded. It is. Mixture. 33. Seawater, minerals, soil, soft drink solution, suspension and colloid are examples of A. Mixture. 34. Alloy cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. It is an example of. Mixture. 35. Which of the following is a solid solution? All of the above: brass, bronze and steel, sterling silver and 22 karat gold. 36. A component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it is called. Solvent. 37. A component of the solution that is dissolved in another component is called. Solute. 38. A substance where the components are uniformly distributed and appear as a single phase is called. Homogeneous mixture. 39. Which one of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Solution. 40. Particles of a solution cannot be seen by the naked eyes and their diameter is. Either B or C. This knowledge is essential for all students from 6th grade to post graduation. If there are students in your family, for more questions and quizzes on multiple topics, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.